Okay, welcome back everybody. This is going to be a breakdown on a trade I took this morning. Really nice trade, targeting the build-up of liquidity during Asia, and I'm just going to let it play out, and I'll come back when it's finished and give you a little bit of a better breakdown. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Okay, welcome back everybody. It's going to be a quick breakdown on this GU trade that I took this morning. So let's get started. Pretty straightforward trade, to be honest. Just a bit of a no-brainer. It's not really based so much off the high time frame, this trade. It's more based on the fact that I saw what Asia was doing. I saw that we were creating these highs. And if you can imagine, if you were short in here, you get people getting in on the breakout, people getting in on the break and retest. All the strategies that are getting in here. You have support and resistance, supply and demand traders all getting in. You have smart money traders all getting in here, looking for price to come into here. You have trend line traders. You have lots of different strategies all getting involved here. And if we were going to go lower today, which was my expectation that we go lower, that we end up going overall bearish, if we were going to go lower, first of all, we need to induce higher. So it only makes sense to come and take out this build up of liquidity, and that was my idea, was that we come and take out this liquidity, and then we go start pushing bearish. Now, I should have probably targeted these highs up here, or at least this high here, but to be honest with you, I only trade in the morning, so before I go to work, so I don't really want to be worrying about this trade or thinking about this trade. I'd rather be out. I'd rather be out, to be honest, and not have to think about it. Be out with a nice win, and then forget about it for the rest of the day. But in hindsight, could have held it up to here, and it would have been a 8 or 9 hour trade. But that's really it, to be honest. There's not much to this trade. Just I saw the build up, and I knew that there was a good chance that we were just gonna come and take out this liquidity before we go lower. And if you look at this as a range from this strong low to this week high, what do we have? We have internal range liquidity. We have a 5-minute imbalance, and price just came down, and and then came and took it all out. So pretty clean trade, not much else to say. See, for me, I trade a lot better when I know where price is going. When I don't want to say no because nobody ever knows, but when I have a good, when I'm confident in the higher time frame, and to be honest with you, once I saw this mitigation of this daily block, and then I saw this push, I just knew there was a good chance that we're just coming down to these lows now. We're coming down to take this low, these equal lows down here. I just knew it. So me trying to get trapped in long-term buys is just, wasn't going to happen, to be honest, um, because I don't expect price to then start doing that. I'm expecting price to do something like that. I mean, we pulled back at the start of this week, but mainly because we took out this liquidity right here. So we took out this liquidity, and this is my strong high, and this is my weak low. And on the 4 hour, let's just get rid of all this. On the 4 hour, you can see what we did. If this is my strong high and this is my weak low, all I was looking to do was trade into this imbalance up here. And yeah, not get trapped in this because this didn't do anything. This is the strong high, this is the mitigation of this is the mitigation of this, and and so on. So once we mitigated this, we were pretty good to drop. But yeah, like I say, I trade a lot better when I know where price is going, and it's been pretty clean this week, to be honest. So I wouldn't be surprised if NFP get a pullback. NFP just does the move, to be honest. So we'll see. I won't be trading NFP, but yeah, it's good to see. It's nice when you get the direction right, because look at all this push up that we've had. Look at this. Look at this build up of liquidity. All liquidity sitting below, all these stop losses, all sitting below this. We had a breaker structure right here, and now we're trading in this range. Shorts would be nice. So yeah, that's it from me. It's been a really good week. What with yesterday's EU and GU wins and today's win, it's been really good. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Catch you all later. Goodbye.